Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to recharge your T-Mobile prepaid online. First, go to the official T-Mobile website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up and create an account. Once logged in, navigate to the prepaid or refill section. Select the amount you want to add to your account. Then enter your payment information securely, such as your credit or debit card details. Before finalizing, review your refill details to make sure everything is correct. Once confirmed, complete the transaction. And that's it. That's how to recharge your T-Mobile prepaid online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.